reading on the internet for a long time. So here's our breakfast. Breakfast buffet from the hotel. Yeah, good morning everyone. It has a swimming pool, but we don't have time for it. Now we're heading for, I don't know where, blackdown. I forgot. Anyway, let's go. Look at that beauty. It's covered now with plants. Fuck. I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
It's gonna be a long way until you see it.
I know, it's okay. Okay, look at oh shit, can't see it again. Look at that beauty behind the fucking plants. Fuck.
Said I would not understand. She left a note and said I'm sorry. I
Had a great day. Okay, you have to go to Australia. All those mines. Gold.
Black gold.
Black gold, yep, black gold. There it is.
You know yung black gold oil?
Mountain. There's the tableland.
Hindi ko kahit nag-background music.
Yeah, love of music. It's weird. Weird. Okay, great. That suicidal cow is here again.
Challenging us.
It's just staring at us. Suicidal cows.
It doesn't know.
Just like Dandenong, but higher. Higher than Mount Dandenong.
Dryer.
Okay, we're still off-roading on this tiny green car. Oh. Yes, there's the road. Oh shit, shit. Yeah. So yeah. Check that out. Our car there and 3 4-wheel drives. What's our car doing here? Well, it's a rental. Park. Apparently, our car is the odd one around. There are 2 4-wheel drives up here, all looking badass, and our car's like shit because the road there is not that easy. But it's fine, but it's just not sealed. So yeah, car looks awkward. Whatever. Hiking at the what's the name again? Blackdown's tabletop. Sorry. Tablelands. Yeah, we're walking up here, and it's gonna be a 2-hour trek. It's kind of cold today. It's better than Melbourne winter. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start walking seriously now. Okay, we're hiking today at where are we hiking? Shit!
Table down.
Blackdown. We're hiking at Blackdown's tabletop. Sorry, Blackdown's table what?
Land.
Tableland, yeah.
Tableland?
Blackdown's Tableland Park. And we're up for the Rainbow Falls. We're looking into seeing the rainbow.
Say it again, the name.
No. I'm gonna read it from the name up there.
Ina.
Blackdown's Tableland. I got it! Then we're gonna go there and we're gonna look at the sign. It's not gonna be the correct one, but I know. That's what I think. Okay. Let's go. I'm trying to be minimalist, that's it. Okay.
Really?
Yeah. So, this is a 2-hour trek, this is a 1-hour trek.
Okay.
The distance is 2 kilometers one way, so that goes out to the Rainbow Falls, and we're really excited to see the rainbow in the falls, and I'm also excited to see those 2 holes. Yeah, those 2 holes. But yeah, we'll see how this thing goes. And right now I'm getting tired and hungry.
Hungry? We had breakfast.
I know. I just feel like I wanted to eat, but yep. Again, I'm sporting the RX 100 right now, trying to be a minimalist, but it's a struggle. You know, it's a struggle. If you want good audio, you need to have the A6500 with the microphone on it. But this one's so handy and badass. Plus, aperture is 1.8 compared to the f4. Okay. There's circular stones like pea stones. I don't know what they're called, but they're quite slippery. I'm an experienced hiker, but I keep on slipping in those stones. Are they? Yeah, they sometimes bunch up in one corner, and when you step on it, you move, you slip like that. It's quite scary because you can feel the tickle in your back. You can fall. Okay, so we're gonna be heading to the cliff edges. Okay, oh yeah, I'm gonna slip again. Look at those. Look at those. Look at those bee-like stones. There's a lot of them to think about when you're hiking on the outback or hiking on some trails which you're not familiar with. You need to have supplies. You need to have water. You need to have a bit of food like chocolates or like power bars. That way if you get hungry or if you get lost, you have something to eat.
Sunscreen.
It's best to put on sunscreen. You may have it there, or you may just put it before you go. And then if you can afford a GPS, might as well have one, because sometimes there are no phone signals around and you won't be having any GPS. Also, one important thing is you need to have a first aid kit. Unfortunately, I don't have first aid kit right now, so bad thing. If you get injured, if you get bitten by a crocodile up in the mountains, oh, maybe a snake. Yeah, that's gonna be bad. So prepare for your trip. Also, you need to have good shoes on, and like for this weather, you need to have a jacket because it's cold. You might get hypothermic, and some trails you need to have a singlet, like a dry fit shirt, because you might get wet with sweat, and you don't want to walk sweaty and wet because you might get sick. Again, make sure you know a bit of a place, and you know what to do, who to call when there's emergency. So keep safe, trekking, and yeah, don't be like me. Bring your own first aid kit because I forgot it in Melbourne. That's way far.